This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having a prosperous week. And let's jump into week 15. And looking at the account balance, we're currently sitting at $15,600.16. Okay, that account amount is now updated at $15,600.16. We're currently $34,399.84 away from our goal of 50K, and we're 69% away. And looking at this week, looks like the blink expired worthless. We have the Schrodinger put here of $70 or $70 put, and we have some orbital energy with the cost basis of $8.95. So we have roughly about $8,000. We have the $7,000 cash on hold for the put, and then we have about, let's just say, $600 tied up in orbital energy there. So our total account value $15,600. We got about $8,000 left. So this week, let's look at, I think I'm gonna do a put on NEO. So I'm gonna hover up here on accounts and go to options chain. And looking at NEO here, and we can see, I was out of town this week, so we only have 2 days left in this week. The bid is currently sitting at $39.68. And we're only 2 days out, so I think I'm gonna do the $38, just not to put too much risk in it. We probably would be okay with the $38.50, but I'm just going to go ahead and sell the $38 put. And looking at this, we're selling NEO expiration here in a couple days. We're going to sell the $38 strike price. We're selling the put option, sell to open, a quantity of 1. We're just going to do a market order. We had a total of 8,000. We did a $38 put, so we have 4,200 left. Next, I'm going to look at Dropbox here, and I think I'm going to do the 27.50 put option. So we'll sell a 27.50 put. So looking at Dropbox, expire here in a couple of days, 27.50 strike price. We're going to do the put option. We're going to sell to open, quantity of 1, and we'll do a market order on this one. Okay, so we sold the 27.50 put. We have a total of $1,450 left. Okay, so the last one we're going to look at here is AMC. We're going to look at doing, its currently bid is at $10.10. We're 2 days out. Let's look at the 9.50 put option. Okay, so looking at AMC, expiring here in a couple of days, 9.50 strike price. We're selling the put option. We're going to sell the open. We're merchants. We're selling a quantity of 1. We're going to do a market order. Okay, that should put us right at our max amount here. We'll come back after the market opens and make sure these got executed. Okay, the market is now open, and we were able to sell the AMC, Dropbox, and NEO puts. Let's take a look at history. And looking at history here, they all expire on the 9th. And looking at what we got this week, we got 36.35, 13.35, and 29.35. So updating the sheet, we have NEO, AMC, and Dropbox all expiring on the 9th. And we got a total of 36.35, 13.35, and 29.35, and these are all put options. And that's 36.40, so about $79 and a couple cents. So not bad for another week. We got a total of $79. And next week I should be back on the normal schedule. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.